What is up guys, Coach Josiah here from AnastasiFitness.com. Today's video, we are going to walk you through the only way you should be doing dumbbell bicep curls. Dumbbell curls are one of the most straightforward exercises you can do, but unfortunately you see a lot of people inside the gym doing them wrong. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 most common mistakes to avoid during dumbbell bicep curls and how to do them with perfect technique. Let's go. Okay, most common mistake number 1 is the direction of how the dumbbells move. As you can see here, the dumbbells are being curled straight up and close to the body. But why exactly is this a mistake? When the dumbbells are this close to the body, you take a lot of the tension away from your biceps and it makes the exercise a lot less effective. Instead, you want to push the dumbbells out away from you, then curl up while slightly moving your shoulders forward. As you can see, the dumbbells are leveraged out in front of me, placing a lot more tension on my biceps because of the leverage point. A good way to think about this is holding a weight by your side compared to out in front of you. It is much harder to hold a weight out in front of you because of the leverage point. This concept obviously doesn't apply to every exercise, but while doing dumbbell curls, this is a slight technique change you can make to create a lot more tension in your biceps. All right, most common mistake number 2 is rounding the shoulders. The reason this isn't optimal is as you round your shoulders like this during an exercise, a lot of the tension can be placed on your shoulders. Our goal of this exercise is to eliminate all surrounding muscles as much as we can and place the most tension on the target muscle, our biceps. The way we can fix this is before initiating any movement with the dumbbells, pinch your shoulder blades back. Think about trying to squeeze and hold together a pencil in between your shoulder blades. After you retract your shoulder blades, bring those dumbbells up. Your shoulders will naturally come forward slightly during the movement, and that's totally fine. Just make sure to reset after your next rep. Moving into mistake number 3, this is shortening the range of motion at the bottom. So this is a mistake because as you shorten the range of motion, your muscles are required to do a lot less work. A shorter range of motion requires fewer muscle fibers to be recruited, and as a result, it makes the exercise way less effective. The way to fix this is pretty straightforward. You go all the way down, but the key with this is to keep tension on your biceps. What I mean by that is you don't want to lock your arms out and place tension on your elbow joint. Instead, stop right before this point and focus on keeping your biceps really tight at the bottom before bringing them back up. This is one of the biggest misconceptions when it comes to this exercise. People usually say if you go all the way down, you end up losing tension. But like I said before, the key is to keep tension while using the biggest range of motion. Bigger range of motion will always be more effective, assuming the technique is kept strong. Okay, most common mistake number 4 is not controlling the weight on the way down. This is a mistake because you're letting gravity do half the exercise for you opposed to your biceps. When the weight isn't controlled, you essentially take all the tension away from your biceps on the way down, requiring them to do a lot less work, which makes the exercise a lot less effective. The way to fix this is to think about resisting gravity as you slowly bring the dumbbells down. It doesn't have to be slow motion, just has to be controlled. As you lower the dumbbells, think about it as if you're going to bring them back up. Create that tension until you get to the bottom. Again, you don't have to take this to the extreme. It doesn't have to be 10 seconds on the way down, just slow enough for you to feel like you're in complete control and you feel your biceps working on the way down. All right, most common mistake number 5 is rotating the dumbbells on the way up. This is not optimal because when your palms face each other on the way up, a lot of the tension goes to your brachialis. This is just a muscle located underneath your biceps. There's nothing wrong with training this muscle. This is just not our focus when we're doing dumbbell curls. Like we said before, our goal is to place as much tension on the target muscle and nothing else. The way you fix this is to make sure your palms are facing forward before you bring the dumbbells up. Something to think about when you bring the dumbbells up is to tilt your pinkies upward. This is going to make sure those palms stay facing forward the entire time. At the bottom, it's okay to rotate the palms back to face each other. Just make sure to face them forward again before bringing the dumbbells back up. All right, that's it for the video, guys. If you liked the information in the video, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping plenty more videos just like the one today. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go.